मेरा नाम जोगिंदर सिंह नरूला है। मेरी एज 85 है और मैं 13 जनवरी 2021 को अपने घर पे बाथरूम के आगे गिर गया था।
And he was coming out of the washroom and he just lost his balance and fell down. तो पहले हमको समझ में नहीं आया, but then we realized that it is a hip fracture and whom to contact in this hour. It was so late, so I contacted Dr. Kinnar Shah, who happens to be my classmate, and he referred the name of Dr. Ravi Prajapati, and in the middle of the night he came to the Neuro 1 hospital where he suggested that we take the patient. And after the x-ray he just calmed down my father and assured us of the treatment, and next morning my father was operated.
जो ऑपरेशन किया था उसमें उन्होंने राड डाला था यहाँ पे।
After about 2 days he was relieved. He handled himself, and Dr. Jinal Thakkar was the physiotherapist, and Dr. Jinal came and visited my father, and being an elderly patient, he just connected with him and slowly got him to do the exercise, and within 2-3 weeks his leg was moving, and in a very short span of time he started walking, and he used to do the exercises what Jinal suggested. So with a lot of warmth, care and attention, she handled the recovery. But one thing I would want to say here is the very cooperative and supportive nature of Dr. Prajapati, and at that moment of crisis in the middle of the night, and the way he handled shows his experience, and I wish both Dr. Prajapati and Jinal a lot of success, and they keep on helping patients in the coming future.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद उनका करता हूँ जिन्होंने मुझको ठीक कर दिया है, और उनको एक गाना समर्पित करता हूँ। हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन, हो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन।